Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and thanks so much for clicking on our video. Guys, this is the Gen 2 Ego Snow Shovel, all right? Now it is slightly redesigned, a little bit more ergonomic, and it is a one-piece tool, so this is not a part of the multi-head system, by the way. Very affordable, and I have to say, after using it, I enjoyed it. This is brushless, so the motor should last a long time. It can handle about 12 inches in width and 6 inches in height as far as snow is concerned. It does have a directional control that's covered right now. I'll show you that in a little while. But why don't we go ahead and check this out? Let's go ahead and get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right, guys. So we finally got some snow. But before I show you my snow demo, I just want to let you know, if you want more information on the snow shovel, I did an unboxing, a close-up. I went over detailed specs, weight, stuff like that. So if you want, I'll put this video in the description if you want to check it out. But let's go ahead and get this started. So before I get started, I'm going to just go ahead and go over the controls, all right, just to kind of help you out. So first of all, this is a 2.5 amp hour battery. It's one of the smaller batteries. This is kind of what you use, all right. This thing just slides right back here on the rails. Lock it down, just push it down to release. You just push that up, all right. So we're locked in. Now this is pretty much the weight that you're going to have, that you're going to be holding, which is nice. So this is a brand new designed handle, and basically you just press the lock and then pull the trigger. Then you let go and you just kind of, basically shovel your snow. All right, really simple. Plenty of room if you're wearing a glove. So this is really nice. And the motor's on the bottom, so you don't have a lot of weight up here. This handle that you get in the box is adjustable. You just open it up, obviously move it to where you want it to be, whatever angle, lock it back in place. There's a tightening knob right here on the side if you want to make it looser or tighter. But again, that's your lock that will actually allow you to press the handle. All right, the other thing they did was they redesigned the switch to change speeds. So you do have two speeds, speed 1 and speed 2. And so you could do that with gloves, which is nice. Again, that was redesigned also. If you have gloves, you don't have to worry. They've got a lot of good grip on here. Okay, this does fold, by the way, but you do have to take off one screw. I really wish they would have had a quick release on that. And let's take a look at the bottom real quick. So this is adjustable to 60 degrees, and all you do is push the knob in and turn this, okay? That's all you do. So if you want to shoot the snow this way, you turn it that way. If you want to shoot the snow that way. And then there are some in-between settings as well. So you could see down here, this is kind of what you're moving, basically. All right, so it's got the auger. And then obviously these are the directional. And this is made to kind of like just rub up against the floor, right? So, again, if you want, watch our initial video. We'll go over specs. We'll do close looks. But I thought I would show you that. All right, so we are on setting number 1. Again, all you have to do is push the lock in, press the button, and then let go. Now we're on setting number 1, and you can see here that it does a pretty decent job, and that's about an inch. It's not that much. All right, so that's setting number 1, and then if you put it on setting number 2, you'll get a longer throw distance. Obviously you're going to use more batteries. But you can see it does get stuck a little bit depending on how your sidewalk is designed. But it really gets down, I'll tell you, it really gets down to the ground, as you can see there. I gotta say though, it's really comfortable compared to the previous model. I'm 6'2", and not bad. I mean, I'm gonna change this now. You do need to push this in, to change it. Just push it in and then turn the knob. Again, it does get stuck on those sidewalks. And you just drag it, you're not really lifting it. Go here again. Turn my knob. No gloves, 26 degrees, probably should put some on. What we do to entertain you guys and try to help you see things from a different view. There you go. Not a problem. Plenty of room. Almost done. Oh, turn the knob. Yeah, I'm getting some blowback, but it does a really good job, other than these bumps here on the sidewalk. So I think if you were taller than 6'2", this could be a challenge. You might have to bend a little bit, first of all. I wish they had a telescopic pole that you can adjust. That would make this even better, to be honest. And they have that with some tools, although the adjustment's only so big. But I think those 2 to 3 inches really help. You see it getting caught up with the sidewalk. That is what it is. You just got to push through it. It isn't hard to push. This weighs about 16.8 pounds. I'm going to put the weight on the screen. This is brushless, by the way, so the motor should last a long time. It is compatible, again, with all Ego batteries, which is good. You've got 12 inches of clearance with a 6-inch intake, so it can handle about 6 inches of snow. Obviously, you see here we only had about 1 inch, but I think $249, if I'm not mistaken, tool only, about $329 with a battery. I'll put the information on the screen if that's correct. But, you know, it's helpful, you know. It's definitely helpful in comparison to using a shovel and, you know, hurting your back, again, depending on how old you are, of course. All right, guys, so a short video, but I was glad I was able to use this because I just came out with our comparison video to the original one. But yeah, you know what, for 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, all the way up to 6 inches, it's pretty nice. And you know, I have the previous version. I used it once or twice, and honestly, it was just awkward. It didn't work well for me. I just wasn't comfortable, so I ended up using a single stage, or I ended up using a shovel, you know. Now, I'm 6'2", so if you're taller than 6'2", you might have to bend a little bit for this one, and I don't know that that's actually good for your back, okay? But I hope our video helped you in some way, and if it did, take a moment, give us a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. Share our video with your friends and your family, by the way, if you could. And check us out on social media. Go ahead and follow us on social media. That'd be great. Check out our new Tesla channel right there, really new. And I'm going to put a video on the right side of the screen if you have time and you want to watch another one of our videos. And if you want to subscribe to our channel here at TechMadeezy, just click this round TechMadeezy logo and you'll be able to subscribe and join the family on the spot. Guys, thanks so much and have a wonderful day.